My name is Nate Hiatt, and I was an officer in the Marine Corps. I did a little time in flight school, flying the T-6, and then I transitioned to the ground side where I was an air support control officer, and I was in for about 6 years. I got into real estate initially through real estate investing, and I saw the power of what real estate investing could do and the changes that it started to make in my own life. And as I was transitioning out of the Marine Corps, I was approached by some really great friends and mentors, Mike Chazelle and Dan DeVille, who are the founders of Sentry, and they asked me to come aboard and be a part of their team, and I jumped at the opportunity. When I first heard about Sentry, I was really excited because I thought that it was a niche that a lot of people were overlooking and a demographic of people that were definitely being underserved. So Sentry seeking to serve military members, show them the power of the VA loan and help them propel themselves to the next level of the life that they want to live. I just thought that it was absolutely amazing. My first time meeting with the team was, it was just a party. You know, Mike and Dan and the whole team, they're just so friendly, so outgoing, so helpful. You just immediately feel like you're part of a family and excited in whatever it is that you guys are doing, whether you're talking about real estate, going out and hanging out, or painting a wall. You know, you're just excited to be doing it with the team. I joined Sentry Residential to serve military members, to help educate and give back to an organization and a people group that gave so much to me. And through real estate and Sentry Residential, I could really do that. I'm Nate Hiatt, and I serve with Sentry.
You went to flight school. What was your call sign?
They don't give call signs to trainees. You have to get a call sign once you make it to a squadron, and I never made it that far.
Ouch.
I know. It was painful.